Planning to visit Cardiff? Wondering what places to explore and what to pack? Well, you're in for a treat. Nestled on the south coast of Wales, Cardiff, the capital city, is etched in history and buzzing with life. It's a city that seamlessly blends ancient heritage with modern elegance. Cardiff's vibrant culture is as diverse as its people, offering a warm welcome to visitors from all corners of the globe. The city is known for its eclectic mix of architectural styles, from the grandeur of Cardiff Castle to the ultra-modern Millennium Centre. And let's not forget the Cardiff Bay, a hub of entertainment and dining. Its climate, typically British, adds to the city's charm. It's often cool and wet, so be prepared to experience 4 seasons in a day. But don't let that dampen your spirit. Cardiff's allure lies in its unpredictability. Stay tuned as we unveil the best places to explore and the essentials to pack for a memorable Cardiff visit. First on our list is the iconic Cardiff Castle. A trip to Cardiff wouldn't be complete without a visit to this enchanting fortress, which stands tall as a testament to the city's rich history. Cardiff Castle is a fascinating blend of Roman, Norman, and Victorian architectures, each contributing to its unique character. Let's take a journey back in time. The castle's story begins nearly 2,000 years ago with a small Roman fort. Over the centuries, the fort expanded and transformed, becoming the grand fortress that we see today. Within the castle's formidable walls, you'll find a wealth of treasures waiting to be discovered. The Norman Keep, a 12-sided structure, offers panoramic views of the city from its top. The Victorian Gothic mansion, with its opulent interiors and intricate woodwork, is a sight to behold. But the castle isn't just about architecture. As you explore its rooms and halls, you'll come across fascinating tales from Welsh history. The castle served as a stronghold for various Welsh princes and saw numerous battles and sieges. Later, it became a symbol of the city's prosperity during the Industrial Revolution. One of the key attractions within the castle complex is the wartime shelters. These underground passages were used as air raid shelters during the Second World War. Walking through them lets you glimpse into a significant era of history. The castle grounds, with their well-maintained gardens, are perfect for a leisurely stroll. And if you're a fan of birds, don't miss the chance to meet the castle's resident birds of prey. Remember, Cardiff Castle isn't just an attraction, it's an experience. It's a chance to step back in time and immerse yourself in the narratives that have shaped this city. Each stone, each room, each artifact has a story to tell. So, make sure to reserve some time for this historical marvel when you're in Cardiff. Next, we explore the vibrant Cardiff Bay. Cardiff Bay, a lively waterfront brimming with a rich history and a splash of contemporary culture, is a place where the old and the new coalesce beautifully. It's a bustling hub of attractions that are sure to captivate every explorer's heart. One such attraction is the Wales Millennium Centre, an architectural marvel that stands tall as a beacon of creativity. Known as the Armadillo for its unique copper dome, it's a hub for performing arts, hosting everything from opera and ballet to contemporary dance and stand-up comedy. The centre is also home to a variety of eateries, making it a perfect spot for culture vultures to indulge in some gastronomic delights. Then, there's the charming Mermaid Quay. This waterfront shopping and dining complex is a food lover's paradise, offering a wide array of cuisines from around the globe. Whether you're in the mood for Italian, Turkish, or even some classic fish and chips, Mermaid Quay has it all. And for those who love to shop, you'll find an eclectic mix of boutiques and stores, offering everything from fashion and beauty to gifts and homeware. Let's not forget the Norwegian Church, a historic landmark that's been standing strong since the 19th century. Once a place of worship for the Norwegian seafaring community, it's now an arts center and cafe, offering a peaceful retreat amidst the hustle and bustle of the bay. While you're here, don't miss out on the Cardiff Bay Barrage. This impressive feat of engineering offers panoramic views of the bay and beyond. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, a bike ride, or even a picnic. Cardiff Bay is more than just a tourist spot. It's a place where memories are made, stories are told, and experiences are lived. It's a place that offers something for everyone, from history buffs and culture enthusiasts to foodies and shopaholics. Cardiff Bay is indeed a must-visit for every traveller seeking a blend of culture, history and entertainment. Cardiff doesn't end with the castle and bay. There's much more to explore. Let's dive into some of the other attractions that Cardiff has to offer. First on our list is the National Museum Cardiff. This museum is a treasure trove of art, natural history and geology. It houses one of the best collections of Impressionist paintings outside Paris. From Monet to Van Gogh, you'll find works from some of the world's most renowned artists. But it's not just about art. The museum also features an array of exhibits on the natural world, from the evolution of Wales to the Big Bang Theory. It's a place where history and science come alive. Next, we move on to St. Fagan's National Museum of History. This open-air museum is one of the most popular attractions in Wales. It's a living, breathing history book where you can step back in time and experience life in Wales over the centuries. From ancient Celtic villages to Victorian-era houses, you'll see history unfold before your eyes. And the best part? It's all set in the beautiful grounds of St. Fagan's Castle, a 16th century manor house. Then there's Bute Park, an expansive green space right in the heart of the city. It's the perfect place for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. The park also houses the stunning Cardiff Castle and the Summer House Cafe, where you can enjoy a delightful cup of tea while taking in the stunning views of the park. And if you're a nature lover, you'll be thrilled to know that Bute Park is home to over 3,000 tree species, making it a veritable paradise for tree enthusiasts. Remember, Cardiff is a city of surprises, so keep your itinerary flexible. Each corner of this vibrant city has something unique to offer, be it a piece of history, a work of art, or a moment of tranquility amidst nature. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Now that we've explored the places, let's focus on what to pack for Cardiff. Cardiff, like most of the United Kingdom, has a maritime climate. This means it's subject to unpredictable weather changes, so it's always a good idea to come prepared. First and foremost, a waterproof jacket or umbrella is a must. Cardiff is known for its occasional rain showers, and you wouldn't want to get caught in one unprepared. This doesn't mean you need to pack a heavy-duty raincoat. A lightweight, packable waterproof jacket or a compact umbrella will do the job just fine. Next, comfortable shoes are key. Cardiff is a city best explored on foot, and whether you're strolling around Cardiff Castle, Cardiff Bay, or any other attraction, you'll be thankful for a good pair of walking shoes. Another essential item to pack is a universal travel adapter. The United Kingdom uses a Type G plug, which is different from the plugs used in many countries, including India. A universal adapter will ensure that you can charge your devices without any hassle. When it comes to clothing, layering is the way to go. Cardiff's weather can change quickly, so it's best to have options. Pack a mix of short and long sleeve tops, along with a sweater or jacket for cooler days or evenings. Remember to pack your essentials such as personal hygiene items, any necessary medications, and travel documents. It's also a good idea to carry a small first aid kit for minor emergencies. Lastly, try to pack light and smart. Use packing cubes or roll your clothes to save space. Leave some room for souvenirs because trust me, you'll want to bring back a piece of Cardiff with you. Packing right means you're halfway prepared for your Cardiff adventure. So, are you ready for your Cardiff journey? We've covered quite a lot of ground today, haven't we? From the historic Cardiff Castle offering a peek into the city's past, to the vibrant Cardiff Bay, where you can immerse yourself in the city's lively waterfront activities. We've also touched upon other attractions worth exploring, places that add to the charm and allure of this Welsh city. And let's not forget, we've also discussed the essentials you need to pack. Remember, the weather in Cardiff can be a bit unpredictable, so it's always wise to be prepared for all conditions. Now, it's your turn. If you've been to Cardiff or are planning a trip, we'd love to hear your experiences or any questions you might have. Do share them in the comments below. Remember, every journey is an experience. So pack your bags, get set, and explore Cardiff. Safe travels.